Sweet and sour vegetables, a classic Italian dish. Usually, it goes with something boiled, an egg, or perhaps a salad. The unusual aspect is that the vegetables are cooked in water with vinegar, sugar, and bay leaf, which adds seasoning, sweetness, and the fragrance of the laurel. I cook all the vegetables at the same time, so I cut the ones that need a longer cooking time into smaller pieces. I can also decide to keep the vegetables in the cooking broth and put them into a jar in order to preserve them. The vegetables will have some pungence to them, but also sweetness, and they will always be ready. So let's get started. We put a pan on the stove with water, vinegar, bay leaf, salt, sugar, and oil, and bring it to a boil. We add all the vegetables except the peppers. We let it cook for 8 minutes, then add the peppers. We cook it for another 5 minutes. We turn off the flame and drain the vegetables and serve them in a small bowl.